Hey everyone, check out the Chefman Electric Tea Kettle that boils water fast in just 3 minutes for tea, coffee, or hot chocolate. You can customize the temperature with 5 presets or set your own ideal heat using the digital control. The tri-colored LED lights show when the kettle is heating, ready, or on standby, making it easy to monitor. It features a quick view water level window and a cordless design for convenient pouring anywhere. The 360-degree swivel base and easy grip handle ensure smooth, mess-free pouring every time. Safety is a priority with automatic shutoff when water boils or runs out. Plus, it's CETL approved with durable construction and backed by a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.